show that vector A minus vector B cross vector A plus vector B equals to 2 times A cross B. So, here we'll write, when we'll expand this, it will be A cross A plus A cross B minus B cross A minus B cross B. Okay, we have taken LHS and expanded it. Okay. A cross A, cross product of a vector with itself. It will be basically magnitude of A into magnitude of A sine theta, and theta with itself will be 0. So sine 0 is 0. So this will be 0. Similarly, B cross B, this will also be 0. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is A cross B minus B cross A, and we know that B cross A is equal to minus of A cross B. Okay. So this is again can be written as plus A cross B, or it can be written as 2 times A cross B. That is equal to RHS. Question number 5. Find lambda and mu. Lambda and mu we have to find. Okay. If 2i plus 6j cap plus 27k cap cross I plus lambda j plus mu k equals to a 0 vector. So we have to find cross product of two vectors. So we'll write it in this form: determinant ijk 2, 6, 27, 1 lambda and mu equals to a 0 vector. So I cap into 6 mu minus 27 lambda minus j 2 mu minus 27 plus k into 2 lambda minus 6 equals to a 0 vector. So when we'll compare LHS and RHS, we get 6 mu minus 27 lambda equals to 0, 2 mu minus 27 equals to 0. Okay. So 6 mu minus 27 lambda equals to 0. So here both the variables are there. So first of all, we'll find this value. So 2 mu equals to 27, or mu equals to 27 by 2. Okay. So first answer is this. Now next is 6 mu minus 27 lambda equals to 0. Mu is 27 by 2 minus 27 lambda equals to 0. So 6 into 27 by 2 equals to 27 lambda, or lambda equals to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. Okay. So these are the two answers: mu equals to 27 by 2 and lambda equals to 3. Okay. Question 6. Given A dot B equals to 0 and A cross B equals to 0, what can you conclude about the vectors A and B? Okay. Now, if A dot B is 0, that means mod of A into mod of B cos theta equals to 0. A cross B is 0, that means mod of A mod of B into sin theta is 0. Okay. That means theta cannot be responsible for this 0 value. Basically this cannot, because here theta is like, and no common value will make this thing 0. So either A will 0 or B will be 0. So we can say either mod of A is 0 or B is 0. This is the answer. Question 7. Let the vectors A, B, C be given as A equals to A1i plus A2j plus A3k, B equals to B1i plus B2J plus B3K, and C equals to C1I plus C2J plus C3K. Then show that A cross B plus C equals to A cross B plus A cross C. So first of all, we'll take LHS. A cross B plus C is equal to A is A1I plus A2J plus A3K. Its cross product with B plus C, vector B plus vector C, that is equal to B1 plus B2I plus B2 plus, sorry, B2, B1 plus C1I plus B2 plus C2J plus B3 plus C3K. Okay. Now for finding cross product, we'll write this way: determinant IJK A1, A2, A3 and B1 plus C1, B2 plus C2 and B3 plus C3. So when we will solve this, this is equal to I into A2 into B3 plus C3 minus A3 into B2 plus C2 minus J into A1 into B3 plus C3 minus A3 into B1 plus C1 plus K into A1 into B2 plus C2 minus A2 into B1 plus C1. Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now RHS. RHS is A cross B plus A cross C. So A cross B will be I, J, K, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3 plus I, J, K, A1, A2, A3, C1, C2, C3. So this will be I, vector I cap, A2, B3 minus A3, B2 minus J cap, A1, B3 minus A3, B1 plus K cap, A1, B2 minus A2, B1 plus I into A2, C3 minus A3, C2 minus J into A1, C3 minus A3, C1 plus K cap into A1, C2 minus A2, C1. So I cap into A2, B3 minus A3, B2, or we can just, okay, plus A2, C3 minus A3, C2, okay, minus J cap into A1, B3 minus A3, B1 plus A1, C3 minus A3, C1 plus K cap into A1, B2 minus A2, B1 plus A1, C2 minus A2, C1. Okay. Now, just we have to prove them equal. So, can we write this as A2, B3 plus C3 and A3, B2 plus C2? So, A2, we can write this actually A2, B3 plus C3 and minus A3 into B2 plus C2. So, just rearranging it. This is equal to I into A2 into B3 plus C3 minus A3 into B2 plus C2. Similarly, J minus J into A1 into B3 plus C3 minus A3 into B1 plus C1 plus K into A1 into B3 plus C3. Sorry, A1 into B2 plus C2 minus A2 into B1 plus C1. Okay, that is equal to LHS. Okay, is it clear? Question number 8. If A equals to 0 or B equals to 0, A cross B equals to 0, is the converse true? Justify your answer. Okay, so no, the converse is not true. What is the meaning? If A is 0, B is 0, then this will be 0. That means if A cross B is 0, then is it necessary that A will be 0 and B will be 0? Basically the question is this, कि ये 0 है तो ये 0 होता है, ये 0 है तो can I conclude that this both will be 0 always? So we can just give an example to prove that it is not true. Suppose A is I vector I cap plus j cap plus k cap and B is 2i plus 2j plus 2k. So when we'll find A cross B, it is equal to ijk 1 1 1 2 2 2. Okay, so if we take 2 common from the third row, it is 1 1 1 1 1 1. So it will be equal to 0. Okay, so A cross B is 0 even if A is not 0 and B is not 0. Okay, so basically mod of this is this you can write actually.
Okay.
Okay,
Ma'am, here ma'am, either n is 0 or theta is 90, right? Theta is 0.
yes, theta is 0. Here theta is 0 basically क्योंकि इसके डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस और इसके डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस दोनों सेम होंगे. That means this both vectors are either parallel. This both are parallel if direction cosines are same. Okay, why direction cosines are same? Like you can find the direction cosines mod of A when you will find that is equal to root 3. Mod of B is equal to 2 root 3. And when you will find unit vector corresponding to A, that is A upon mod of A, and B cap, that is B upon mod of B. Both of them will be coming same, 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 3. So that means this both are collinear vectors. Okay.
And
Yes.
if they're collinear, there will be no common points. Ma'am, n will not be there then.
Find the area of triangle whose vertices are A 1 1 2, B 2 3 5, and C 1 5 5. Area of triangle. We have seen yesterday the formula. What is the formula for area of triangle?
Ma'am, half into AB, vector AB into vector AC.
Okay. Yes, this, or we can write half of AB, vector AB cross vector AC. Okay. So we'll first of all find AB vector. AB vector means coordinates of this minus this into I cap. So 2 minus 1 plus 3 minus 1, 2j plus 5 minus 2, 3k. Okay. Then AC vector. AC is C minus A, 0i, 4j and 3k. Now AB cross AC, that will be equal to I, j, k, 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 3. We'll find this vector that is equal to I cap into 6 minus 12. So minus 6i minus j into 3 minus 0. So that is equal to minus 3, okay, j, then k into 4 minus 0, so plus 4k. Now magnitude of AB cross AC, that will be equal to under root of 36 plus 9 plus 16, that is equal to under root 61. Now area of triangle ABC is 1 by 2 magnitude of AB cross AC, that is equal to 1 by 2 under root 61 square units. This is the answer. Question 10. Find the area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are determined by vectors this and this. So A is I cap minus j cap plus 3k cap. B is 2I cap minus 7j cap plus k cap. Okay. Now area of parallelogram is given by magnitude of A cross B. Okay. Where A and B are adjacent sides, so we have to just first of all find the cross product. A cross B is I j k 1 minus 1 3 2 minus 7 1. So this is equal to minus 1 plus 21. So that is equal to 20 I cap minus j into 1 minus 6, that is equal to minus 5j plus k into minus 7 plus 2, that is minus 5k. So magnitude of A cross B is equal to under root of 20 square plus minus 5 square plus minus 5 square. So 25 plus 25 plus 400 under root 450. So answer is under root 450 square units. This is the answer. Question number 11. Let the vectors A and B be such that magnitude of A is 3, magnitude of B is root 2 by 3. Then A cross B is a unit vector. It is given that A cross B is a unit vector, means A cross B, its value is 1. Okay. If the angle between A and B, so we have to find actually the angle between them. Okay. So A cross B will be equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sine theta. Okay. And as it is magnitude unit vector, I am not writing. Magnitude of this is 1. This is 3. It is root 2 by 3 sine theta. So theta, sine theta equals to 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root 2 means 45 degree. Theta equals to pi by 4. So B is the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Area of rectangle having vertices A, B, C, D with position vectors this respectively. So, okay. So we are given coordinates of vertices basically. Okay, vertices with position vector. So A, B, C, D we are given. We have to find the area of rectangle. Rectangle is also a parallelogram. Okay, so area of rectangle will be using the same formula, that is equal to magnitude of AB cross AC. But first of all we have to find AB. Vector AB equals to B minus A. So first that is okay, we'll write A is minus I plus 1 by 2 j plus 4k, and B is basically it is okay, B is I plus 1 by 2 j plus 4k. So B minus A will be 1 minus of minus 1, that is equal to 2i, and rest both are same, so it will be 0. AC, C is actually I minus 1 by 2 j plus 4k. So AC is 2I and minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to j minus j, and 4k will cancel. Now we have to find the area. So AB cross AC is equal to IJK. This is 2 0 0, 2 minus 1 0. So I will be 0, j also 0. So this is equal to k into minus 2. This is the answer. And magnitude of AB cross AC, that is equal to only 2. So that is equal to 2. So option C is the correct answer.